Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will showing how you can level up to Memefi or increase your levels. So guys, this process is simple and easy. All you have to do, just guys, complete your requests, quests and the missions and the order point to get point and the reward coins. That's you have to do, guys. Increase your level and the file campaign of for that's all you have to do, guys. Just go to the section as you can see here on chain task and share the stories on Telegram, and it you will earn, and you can refer your at your friend, and you can increase level, more level, and you can complete your task. You will get 15 millions coin, and you can task, you will get this coin, some task, and you can swap to token amount. And for energy is showing order and level up. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you on another video.